Hi, we're here at Rothenburger today to talk about the Rofrost Rapid pipe freezing kit. This comes complete with 4 clamps for the domestic UK market, 2 15mm and 2 22mm. You get 3 cans of eco-friendly freeze spray and straws. You also get, rather than using the old jackets, you get 2 sheets of foam which come perforated for 15 and 22. Really useful to have the instructions in the box there and then, so you really can't go wrong. So here I have a 22mm clamp. We've already set up a 15, but I'll just show you what you're doing with the foam. The foam goes 1 in that side and then 1 in that side. You'll notice you have 2 holes in the clamp. One is larger than the other. The small one is to vent any excess freeze gas, and the large one is to poke your straw in and start putting gas into the clamp. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the Rofrost Rapid pipe freezing kit using this 15mm copper pipe, a rod in the top and some water inside the pipe. What you'll notice there, I'm doing short bursts rather than long bursts. 2 reasons. 1, saving a lot of money, but if you use long bursts like people will be tempted to do, you'll notice you're losing all your freeze gas out of the back and then starts to drip. You really don't need to use that much. Just short bursts and let the clamp do its job for you. A successful freeze of the pipe would usually take between 3 and 5 minutes, depending on the environment. 3 minutes generally you'll get form an ice plug, and then 5 minutes you'll get a full freeze. There are signs to let you know when the clamp is doing or has done its job. You'll notice you'll get frosting around the side of the clamp. When the freeze is completed, you will hear an audible click. That's letting us know that the ice plug has formed successfully. If in the middle of a job and the job starts to take a little bit longer than expected, not a problem, just give it a top up. And then, as you can see, the rod is stuck in place. That ice plug will last somewhere between 20 and 25 minutes.